Okay, another video for Nifty Thrifty Girl today is featuring a Kenmore model 1750. This is one of the classic vintage all-metal beasts, 1.2 amp, weighs about 40 pounds. I can barely lift it with one arm. It's a basic straight stitch machine until you add the pattern cams, which the cams go under this little door right here. The zigzag cam is included, which is necessary to create a zigzag pattern. Cosmetically, this machine is very, very nice. It has a couple dings right here, but they don't go all the way through right in the center of the deck. Tabletop ready, or it can be put in a Kenmore carrying case or cabinet, and this machine will require an actual Kenmore cabinet or case because it is one of the larger deck machines. And please check my other listings because I always try to keep a carrying case available to fit these machines. It comes with 10 cams, 5 stretch, 5 regular, a ruffler, a zipper foot, and some bobbins. More cams can be purchased on eBay. I believe a total of 30 cams were available. Any of the top hat type will work. They come in orange, mint green. There's 4 different colors. Any of this type will fit this machine. It doesn't have to be a certain color. They are all the same type of cam. The stretch cams are either beige, mint green, or this color green, and they're double stacked. So any of the Kenmore cams that you see on eBay in the dark green case will fit this machine. Okay, very smooth, very nice running. Of course, that 1.2 amp motor is just a beast. Zigzag. Lots of room under the foot. Normally I can get 6/4 under the foot of a Kenmore. And I probably can this one also. I'll demonstrate that in the photos. I'm going to change from the zigzag cam and we're going to put in a stretch cam. See how that works? You don't have to do anything special. Just change the cam. That's all you have to do. Make sure your length is the longest and your width is the widest. Your adjustment for your stitch is actually located on the back of the machine to lengthen or shorten your stretch stitch. You can see the fabric going up and back. This is where I was adjusting the pattern as I was going. It's a nice machine. We're going to take the stretch cam back out. Do some heavy duty sewing. 6 layers of denim. I'm using a size 16 needle. Bobbins and needles for this machine both can be found anywhere as easy as Walmart if you want to buy them local. 6 layers of denim. I forget what I was going to say now. PDF copy of the instruction manual will be sent after purchase by email. This is 5 layers of woven upholstery with a rubber backing. Oh, everything is double needle capable. Even the stretch patterns can be created with double needle. Nice. Actually, I think I have a double needle. We'll do that. For the machine, brand new pack of double needles I will include, sealed in the box. 3 layers of garment leather. Now, if you're going to do this consistently, you might want to invest in a walking foot. It just helps pull the fabric between the feed dog and the foot consistently, making an even stitch. Got thread wrapped around there. stitches out of there. There we go. Very nice stitch. You also get these fabric samples, and just so you know, you don't have to be sewing cowhide. Very delicate nylon, sheer. Loosen up everything a little. Tiny beautiful stitch on delicate also. Loosen up a little more. Of course, on delicate you want to go to a smaller needle like a 9 or an 11. And that is the Kenmore model 1750 1.2 amp cam sewing machine.